What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. And in today's video, we're going to talk about Intelligence Prime Capital. That's right, Intelligence Prime Capital. Today is New Year's Eve, December the 31st. You can consider today's videos like a New Year's Eve special. All right? We're getting ready for a solid, strong 2022. And before I get started in Intelligence Prime Capital, I want to remind everyone that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube that's showing you guys how I am cranking out that crypto. Nothing more, nothing less. And with that being said, if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, all right? And if you want to be notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. But only if you want to be notified, all right? Now, I usually share my screen when I'm talking about Intelligence Prime Capital, and I will on certain things, but I won't go to the website right now because it's having some issues. I did notice that when you go to the home page, they now have Cloudflare DDoS protection. So maybe they're doing some updates on their site, which is totally fine with me, but this is also the last 24 hours that you have to take advantage of the Christmas promo that they extended to the end of the year, all right? This is it, all right? So let me just explain real briefly what that is. I'm going to try to pull up some slides that'll explain exactly what that is for you guys. The first slide is the actual Christmas promo slide. I actually got a screenshot of it, so it's not the best quality, but I will do my best to read it and show it to you guys. Give me 1 second as I pull that up. Boom. All right. So as you can see, this was the exclusive Christmas promo. All right. It started on the 11th of December and it was supposed to go to the December 24th, but they officially extended it to the end of the year. All right. It gives you 50% off of all the AIA bots. And most of you that know what Intelligence Prime Capital is and what I've been talking about over the last few days, you know that the bots is what makes this all run. Everything that is going on this platform as part of passive income is run off these bots. And they're very impressive too. If I could, I would pull up the last 2 days of trades have been all winning trades. All 6 of the trades that I've had have been all winning trades. Haven't lost a trade yet. And I'm not the one trading. It's the bot doing its thing. All right. You can even track it on MetaTrader 4 if that's your thing. But I wanted to share this with you guys. All right. So 50% off of all the AIA bots, right? So that's one thing. Now I want to show you guys another slide that I'm not sure if I've shown you guys yet, but I definitely want to show you guys today. There's some other things that is going on in that Christmas promo, all right? So this says, first of all, we want to express our appreciation to all our supporters. The biggest reason why IP Capital was created was because we wanted to help people, and we really are proud of our accomplishments thus far. Right now, we are pleased to announce an exclusive promotion. Enjoy the following benefits during the lead up to Christmas and celebrate this festive season with IP Capital, the IP Capital way, all right? So I wanted to share this. Of course, this is a backdated announcement, but all of these things still apply for the rest of today, all right? This is it. Last 24 hours for this, unless they re-up and try to do it again. This is it, okay? Massive discount. So we've talked about this. 50% discount on all AIA bot pricing, okay? For example, the current price of a Genius bot, which is the best bot that they have, is only $100, only $99.90, right? That's not a lot. But this will be halved during the promotional period, which means you can get the Genius bot that trades 3 to 4 times a day for only $49.95. That you can't beat alone, but that's not it, all right? They've added 50% commission rate. So not only, and some of you remember that you do get 10% off of whatever bot they get, right? So of course at $99.90, you're getting $9.90 for every person that gets that Genius bot, right? But during this promotional period, any new subscriber referral will entitle you to 50% commission. And I love how this platform always gives examples. So here's an example of how this works. For example, if a new subscriber that you referred purchases that Genius bot for the discounted price of $49.95, you're going to receive 50% of that, which is $24.98. Now think about it. You usually would get 10%, right? And that's great in itself because that's just one section of what you're getting paid off of, right? But they've lowered the price of the bot from $100 to $50, I'm rounding, and they've increased that percentage that you receive from 10% to 50%. So not only are you going to be saving money on the front end, but now that money that you would have had to invest, you're going to be able, or that you would have had to spend on the bot, you can spend that extra $50 and put it and let the bot work it for you, right? That's one thing. But those people that are link sharers out there, you have a unique opportunity to take your referral commission from your bot, from people that purchase bots from this IP Capital. You're going from 10% to 50%. And this has been going on. I'm late to the party. This has been a part of what they were offering. So if a lot of those people that took massive action days and weeks ago, they could have been getting half of this discounted price, which is amazing. You're getting $24.98 for a discounted bot that people are purchasing. And they could just roll that into their MetaTrader account and have that trading for them too. So they're just compounding and growing their bag here in IP Capital. It's amazing. It's just amazing. So, and here's number 3, 0 withdrawal fees. All withdrawal fees will be waived. So if anybody out there is out there sharing the link, going crazy, they're like, you got to see this. They're racking up their commissions and they want to withdraw. There are 0 withdrawal fees during this promo. And I feel like I should have shared this before, but you get information, you share it when you get it. All right. So this is it. This is the last 24 hours for this. This is where massive action really comes into play. If you got it, you got it. If you don't, you don't. I don't tell nobody what to do, but all I know is we're taking massive action. And this is the first step by sharing it with my YouTube community as a part of my journey. IP Capital is a part of my journey to financial freedom. I am slowly committing to it as it has committed itself to me and what it's been able to do. So we'll get to the point where we may make another deposit in this because there's another slide I want to show you guys. And this is for the leaders out there. This is for the people that see this as an opportunity to grow a team, and maybe for the first time, maybe for those experienced team growers out there, and you see this as a great, unique opportunity, right? I want to show you guys something. And this is something that they're changing on not the 3rd, the 17th, okay? So they've given us more time to adjust to this change because there's going to be some things that are going to happen in the future. And there's a reason why I'm showing you this now as opposed to when it actually drops, because this is another opportunity for the link sharers to take massive action. So I'm going to go ahead and share this with you guys. And it says January 3rd, but I read a note yesterday that said they're going to be implementing this on the 17th of January. All right, so we got a little bit more time. But those of you that know the compensation plan already and have seen the actual slide that I'm going to show you next, you know that this self-investment portion has not been there, all right? It's usually just been, oh, if you're sharing your links, you put in whatever you put in, your minimum of $100 to get your referral link and actually be able to share. But after that, all you got to do is have personal sales and group sales, and you can just promote all the way through. You don't even have to put in this self-investment of $1,000 to be a senior manager. That's not implemented yet. So a lot of people were getting in and they're just like, oh, well, I'm gonna share my links and whoever gets in, maybe I get my personal sales up and group sales up. Now, of course, if this was me getting a presentation from somebody that didn't have any skin in the game, I wouldn't be that impressed. I might be impressed at the fact that they were able to turn their group sales and personal sales into something like a regional managing or shareholder director. That's impressive because you have to actually do a whole lot of work to do that. I mean, managing director is personal sales of $30,000 and group sales of $300,000. So if you did all that without having that self-investment of $10,000, more power to you. But this is where it's going. The company wants its leaders to have skin in the game. Me personally, I love that because I've been talking about that this whole time on my channel. There's so many people that do reviews on different platforms, but they have not even taken the leap to put their own funds in and see how it works for them. They just want to review it and then nitpick all the certificates and what they're trading, what they're doing, all this stuff that ain't making them no money at all. I thought we were here to make money. That's what I thought we were here to do. Anyway, so this is what they're implementing, right? They want their leaders to have some skin in the game. If you want to be at the top level of this company at the shareholder director, you got to have a self-investment of 20 grand. Now, if you get personal sales of 100 grand and group sales of $1 million, I don't see how you can get all that and not have a self-investment of 20 grand, just off the strength of your trades and referral commissions alone. So I say all that to say, this implements self-investment on the 17th. Now let me show you the original slide from the actual PowerPoint from what it is currently, right now as it stands today, all right? First thing I want to show really quickly, and I promise I'm going to do this really quickly, are the prices of the bots after today. So if you get in after today, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to look like $19.90 for the smart bot, which is the lower level bot. The brilliant bot is the middle level bot, where it's $39.90, and the genius bot is $99.90. All right, and I want to show it a little bit more in depth here. All right, smart bot, you're getting $19.90 and up to 15% a month. Okay, 1 to 2 trades a day, and it's not bad, but it's not the best. Then you got the brilliant bot, which is $39.90. And of course, these are all one-time subscription payments, all right? You only pay this one time, which is great, all right? Brilliant bot, you're up to 30% a month, starting at a minimum deposit at $100 to $1,000. Notice that all of these have a minimum deposit of $100 to get their bot rolling. So, hey, take advantage of the discount. You got another $50 added to whatever $100 you were going to put in to get involved. And that trades up to 1 to 3 times a day. And then, of course, the best bang for your buck is the genius bot, all right? Trading anywhere from 1 to 4 trades a day. The last 2 days, personally, I have 3 trades a day, and they've won all of them, all right? You're going to get up to 45% a month. And there's no limit on this genius bot. It can crank out and take whatever you put in it, of course, with a minimum of $100. But you got to go ahead and buy the bot first, okay? The bot is what is able to put your deposit to work, all right? This is what I want to share, all right? Of course, we want to rank up. Those of you that just want passive income, just let the bot work for you. It'll make its percentages, you know what I'm saying, up to 15% a month if that's what you want. Smart bot is for you. Up to 30% a month if that's what you want. Brilliant bot's for you. Genius bot, if that's what you want. 45% a month. That's what I want. So Genius Bot is for me. All right. Now, on this management bonus level, where they actually show what you need to rank up, you need personal sales starting at $100 to be a leader. You don't need any group sales. So you pretty much start off as a leader. All right. You can't get your bot working without at least $100 in your trading account. Okay. To get to supervisor, you need 500 in personal sales and 1,000 in group sales. That can happen in a day. Ask me how I know. Senior manager is $1,000 in personal sales and $3,000 in group sales. That can happen in a day. Ask me how I know. All right. Department manager starting at $3,000 in personal sales and $10,000 in group sales. We're on our way there. I think I just need to get my $100 my $1,000, $10,000 in group sales, and I'm not very far from that at all. I wish the website was functioning properly so that I could show you guys, and maybe we'll try to get into it at the end of this video and see if it works. But of course, this is what that means. Personal sales is the people on your first level. Okay, your cumulative sales on your first level. That's what totals up your personal sales. Your group sales is your cumulative level in everything. All right. So as you can see, to be a shareholder director is $30,000 in personal sales and $300,000 in group sales. Now, I want to just confirm that that's going to be the same going forward. So the difference in, I'm gonna read this while you guys look at that. Group sales for leader has been improved or up to 1,000. Personal sales is 500. Supervisor has been upped to 1,000, and group sales has been up to 3,000. Senior manager, self-investment, of course, of $1,000. Group sales, personal sales 3,000. Group sales 10,000. All right. So as you can see, these requirements are going up. All right. I'm gonna share this other page with you so you guys can see this. And if you need to go back and look at the other one, you can. But this is where it's going. We have a unique opportunity right now for those of you that take massive action to be grandfathered in to some of these leadership positions if we do the massive work right now, because the requirements are going to change. And quite honestly, I don't have a problem with these new requirements. I don't have an issue with them. The company wants to be sustainable. The company wants its leaders to put his money where his mouth is. And I believe that if I was running a company, I would want my leaders to do the same thing. All right? Department manager. Personal sales of 5,000, group sales of 30,000. To get to managing director, which is the first level that you have a share in the company's monthly global bonus, which is going to be awesome, you have to have a self-investment of 10 grand. Personal sales of 30 grand. And group sales of 300,000. So that is where shareholder director used to be. Now the shareholder director is, of course, if you don't achieve these ranks before the 17th of January, and I know it says the 3rd, but we've talked about that. It is the 17th, that based on what I heard. Self-investment of 20 grand. Personal sales of 100,000. You should have 100,000 in personal sales on your first level, which means you got leaders on your first level, all right? And group sales of $1 million, okay? I've seen that happen, so I know that's very doable. But the best opportunity you have is right now. You have an opportunity to be grandfathered into these levels. Let me share this one more time, and I promise I'm done, y'all. I promise I'm done. I just want to make sure everyone is clear on this, because I'm getting more and clear on this every day. Right now, we have that unique opportunity. Not later, not at the end of next month, not in February, right now. If we reach these levels, we're grandfathered into those levels. Shareholder director, all you need is 30 grand in personal sales and 300,000 in group sales. And I say all you need like that's something that's, just easy. For some of you, you have the networks to make this happen. Some of you don't, and we just grow together. This is not the last time I'm going to be talking about IP Capital unless it just decides to run away on us. I'm going to be talking about this all the time. So you can grow by watching, grow by doing as we get more and more. I mean, in platforms like this, there's not a hype. It seems like it actually, there's KYC involved. So, usually with KYC platforms, they're around for a little while. They're here to do some work for a while. All right? This is an opportunity to grow. So all I can say is you can take it or you can not take it. I'm going to take advantage of it. All right? Last thing I want to do is I want to see if the website has been fixed yet. And if not, then that's okay. I'm not tripping. There's a update that I got in my text message. It says, hey, last day of the promo and the site is going wacky. I believe a ton of people are trying to get in. People get a rush from waiting to the last minute, which is so true. I don't know what about that is, what it is about that. It's that fear of missing out. But that's a real thing, all right? Just keep checking, and we'll all update you and find out more details when it comes back up. I'm checking every few minutes, okay? That's what our leader, Rochelle Hazel, told us. And I'm going to check one last time to see if it is up or not. And if it comes up, I'll share the screen and show you guys. If not, then we'll just move on. All right. Actually, it's up. It's up right now. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Those of you that are still watching, you'll get to see where I'm at, all right? Currently, I am a senior manager. Senior manager. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. And when you click on that tab, it'll show you, you know, what it takes to get to that level and what it takes to get to the next level. Well, actually, pretty much what it takes to get to the next level. So hopefully if it shows, if it pulls this up from loading, we'll be able to see. I know we're lucky to be here at this spot right now where we can actually see the website, because before it was saying an error occurred while processing your request. So we might be trying to do too much right now, but I just wanted to see if it'll show me how far I am to the next level in a timely fashion. But as you guys can see, I've made it to senior manager. I'm very proud of that because we've been able to do that in 2 days. And I could not do that without you guys for watching. So shout out to you guys. Y'all know y'all know I don't tell you what to do though. I know I say that all the time. I'm gonna refresh this just real quick. And if it doesn't happen real quick, then I'll just log off. I mean, it's been a long enough video about iPrime Capital. But the links are in the description below for everything that I'm in, including iPrime Capital, Intelligence Prime Capital. This is the last opportunity to take advantage of the Christmas promo. We just talked about what it's doing. It's giving half off of your bot prices, and for those link sharers out there, it's giving you 50% commission on everybody that buys one of those bots. I mean, you cannot beat that. And I hope that, you know, with them understanding their own issues going on their website, they might see, look, this is what I was seeing before. And I'm cool with that. You know what I'm saying? But I hope that them understanding that the issues on their website might be hindering some signups and people that are trying to do transactions on their accounts. It seems like I can do the internal transfer just fine. So this is how I take my commissions and I roll them back in to the plan. All right. We get our earnings from our trading every weekend. Okay. Let's see. So we go ahead, and this is what I've pretty much been doing to increase my balances this whole time. And I'm going to see if it takes. I've just been reinvesting into my trading account and letting the trader do what it does, and it has been winning. If I can, I'll show you all that too. For those of you that stick around, I don't force anybody to sit here and listen to me all day because I know I can talk for a good amount of time. All right. So that's done. All of that is finished. Now I can go to my closed trade reports, and hopefully it'll show that. I just click on my own account, which should be at the top. For those of you that are link sharers, you have a lot going on in there. All right. So we have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. All right. These are the trades that were done on the 29th. These are the trades that were done on the 30th. And of course, all you got to do is hit the plus button. You can see profit, $4. That's a dub. Profit, $22. That's a dub. Profit, $21. That's a dub. Profit, $5. Profit, $23. Profit, $3.64. All of these are winning trades, or it would say negative in the profit margin. So I'm very happy about what this platform is doing. I can even do an Excel spreadsheet PDF of all these different trades, and I can keep track of what is going on in Intelligence Prime. And it's 6 for 6 right now. I'm impressed by that. So see if the dashboard has its update. Maybe it's just the dashboard that's tripping. Of course, this notification says unofficial fake website created by scammers. The official website is iprimecapital.com, not anything else. Do not log into your account using the fake website, okay? Fake websites, what they do is they try to get you to sign up on their website, hoping that you'll use the same login information, and all they'll do is just come over into your real Intelligence Prime account, sign in, and be taking your crypto and doing stuff with it, all right? If you ever log into your account using the fake website, your personal information might have been recorded by the scammers. So please, if you disregard this, you're disregarding it at your own risk, all right? That's it. I've added to my trading capital here. I'm a senior manager. Let's see if I can get this to pop up. Will it pop up now? Will it pop up now? I'm only going to wait 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Didn't do it. We'll check it later. All right. For those of you that are still watching, I just want to thank you, first of all. It is New Year's Eve. You could have been doing anything else, and you just spent, I don't know how much time with me, but you did it, so thank you. If you like this content, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you go in and hit that notification bell as well, but only if you want to be updated, all right? Don't do it if you don't want to be, all right? This is iPrime Capital, Intelligence Prime Capital, y'all. It's doing this thing. It's thriving. It ain't bull jiving. We have reached another rank. I even forgot what it's called. What is it called? Senior manager. I'll put that in there. I'll put that in the link, in the description. I mean the caption, right? We're proud of our moments that we have here at BOJ. All right, when we take massive action, we get the information in front of people, get our journey out in front of people, and people take action with you. It's a cool thing. All right. Put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you. This is one of them, so please use it. Put it on your wallets, too, because crypto is the wild, wild west. And if you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. Ask me how I know. It's not very fun at all. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out.